Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Statistical Genetics and choose Augmented Design II, Augmented RCBD. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Data Upload Instructions. In this option, you can get instructions on how to properly upload your dataset. How to save as CSV. This option is provided to know how to save your dataset in CSV format correctly. How to perform analysis. In this option, you can get step-by-step guidance on how to perform statistical analysis. Transformations available. This option allows you to understand the different data transformations available for your analysis. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the block column. Next comes the germplasm or treatment column. And then select the variables. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. In the Pairwise Comparison tab, enable Grouping option to continue. In this tab you will get Pairwise Comparison table for yield. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graphs tab to create Adjusted Mean Lollipop Plot, Adjusted Mean Bar Plot, Adjusted Mean Distribution Plot, Compare Box Plot, Compare Violin Plot, Compare Mean plus SE Plot, Compare Connected Line Plot, Compare Raw Adjusted Mean Treatments Plot. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with RAISINS.live and make your data speak.